Hi everyone. So today we are going to create a Maven project using the Eclipse ID. And if you don't have the Eclipse ID, I suggest you to download it from the official page. Just search for the Eclipse download for Windows or Mac, whatever the system you are using. Just simply go to the downloads page, and from here you can download the Eclipse. Okay, so I have already installed it. I'm going to just use it. Just simply search for the Eclipse from here, and you'll get this page launcher. Here you can browse and select your workspace or create a new one. I have already created it, but I'll just show it to you how you can create it. Just open, create any new folder, like new Eclipse workspace, and that's it. Open this folder, select this folder, and your workspace will be ready to use. And then you can simply click on the launch button. I'll be using the previous workspace of mine. Just click on the launch button. Oh, looks like I have already opened it, so one second, I'll just close that part. Okay, retry it. Yeah, it is launching. So to create a new project, go to the file, here, new, Maven project. Why we use Maven project for the APM? The main reason is that it provides us a default structure. We don't have to, you know, manage many things on our own. It makes it easy for us. So that's why. Just search for the Maven archetype quick start. Okay, so just simply select this one, and we can go to the next page. Here you can give your name, like I'm gonna give. Here normally we add our company name or a department name, or the whatever the project under which you want to create your APM project. So I'll just simply give it to um, just simply give anything. I'll just write grape, and I'll give the artifact ID for basically here we provide our project name, so I'm just gonna write my first project. Okay, that's it. We can finish it up. Okay, let's go to the back section. hmm Next, next. We try it. Finish. Okay, a POM XML file already exists. Looks like I have selected the wrong workspace. Let me just start it from the scratch. Open the Eclipse. Mm, Eclipse. Here I need to select the workspace. Let's use the newer one to make it easy for us. Okay, file, new, Maven project. and go to the next part. Here simply search for the maven archetype quick start. Okay, we got it. Select it. Next, test artifact ID. Give the any project my second project. Finish it up. Okay, so it's doing something. Okay, we just need to write vs for y and build success. Here you can see your project is created. We have some folders over here. src main java, this is basically for developers where they add their code, but what folder we are going to use is this one, test java. Here under this package we are going to write our test cases. Okay, we will deal with it later. For now I'll just remove this. I will delete this file because we are going to create our own file. Just continue it. Okay, the main file that you have to focus on now is that pom.xml file. Here we are going to add our dependencies, and that will be our main target. So this is the dependencies part. Okay, so just remove this dependency, we are not going to use it, and go to the, just give me a second. Okay, so we have created our maven project. Next step is to add the dependencies. For that you need to go to the maven repository website, navigate to this site. Here search for the apm, our first dependency, and this is the java client apm. Just click on it, select the latest version, copy it. By simply clicking on it you will be able to select it, and just control C and copy it and add it to your dependencies section. I'm just simply pasting it. Okay, control shift F to align it correctly. Now next dependency that we're going to use is testng, and here it is. Just click on it, select the latest stable version, that is 7.10.2, and just copy it, add it to your project. After this dependency I'm going to add the next dependency, that is testng, and this testng framework basically used to add the sessions testing. It makes it easy to test our test cases, so that's why we are going to use this one. Control shift F to align it correctly. Okay, next dependency that we are going to add is, just go back to the page. Here we can search the selenium. Okay, we are going to add it later. For now just focus on these dependencies. These two dependencies are necessary. First one is apm, next is testng. Now you have added the dependency, but to make sure that it is integrated into your system, you should make sure that your project, and under your project section, build automatically is selected. And if it is not selected, you can simply go to the file, sorry, not file. You can simply right click on your project name and go to the Maven. Here, update the project and select the project you want to update. This is auto selected, my second project, and just simply click OK, and it will automatically add this dependencies under this Maven dependencies. For now, we only have Hamtrust and JUnit, but after some time, other dependencies will be added. Okay. Oh, maybe I did not save it. So just simply Control S and it will be adding these dependencies. See, all of your dependencies has been added. Okay. So we have testng over here and we have other dependencies as well. So that's it. It's done. Just simply just do not uh, forget to add your dependencies and saving it. Okay, that's it. That's done. Now our next step is to install the testng engine. So we have added the dependencies, but we don't also need an engine. For that, just simply go to the help section, Eclipse Marketplace, and here it will take some time to load it. Just give me a second. Okay, now search for the testng tab. Okay, I have already installed it, but for you it will be something like this. Simply you have to tap on it. It will be installed, and after installing it, I suggest you to restart your Eclipse project, and you will be able to use the Eclipse in your testng in your system for the project. It will be easier to test using testng. Okay, so we have created our Maven project. We have added the dependencies over here, and one second, my second project form.xml selected. Where are the dependency section? Okay, added it. Okay, so due to some reason, I was not able to add the dependencies. I'm not sure. Should not be like this. Dependencies has been added. I'm not sure why it happened, but it's okay. We can add these dependencies again. This is my project and this is my pom.xml file. I have opened it. Now under this dependency section, I simply remove this. There is some issue with it. Okay, yeah, it's been added. See over here we have APM, we have testng, so and we have also installed our testng engine. So our next step is to create the test cases, and that we will be doing in our next session. Thanks.